So let us take this example. In this example, you are asked to check whether 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 lie on the same side or opposite side of the line 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So to understand whether these points lie on the same side or opposite side, what you just need to do is you need to substitute these 2 points in this line separately. So let us substitute the first point, 2 into 2 minus 3 plus 7, that's the first point substituted in the line, divided by, let us substitute the second point, minus 2 minus 5 plus 7. So the numerator is 4 minus 3 plus 7 is 8. The denominator is minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So the denominator is 0. That means the second point lies exactly on this line. So you cannot decide whether they are on the same side or the opposite side. The second point lies on the line. The first point does not lie on the line. So let us take another point. So let this be the first case. So instead of minus 1, 5, let us take the point 4, minus 5. So what can you say about these 2 points? So if you substitute 2, 3 on this line, you already got the answer. 2 into 2 minus 3 plus 7 divided by. Now if you substitute 4 minus 5. So 2 times 4 minus 5 plus 7. That is equal to 8 divided by 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 7 is 10. So this is positive. That means the numerator and denominator is of the same sign. The meaning is that 2, 3 and 4 minus 5 lie on same side of line. So that's the conclusion that we make. Thank you.